Today I'm going to show you how to use our test kit. The test kit has the procedure for titration. So you can do this literally on your pallet line. So let's open up the box. So it comes with the procedure. Also the indicator, which is melted orange. Comes with the titrant, which is HCl. A syringe to pull the sample from the bath. And also a container to actually perform the procedure. So right here I actually have a already pre-made bath and some tap water. So from the procedure, let's get started here. We're actually going to use Aqueous PL19, and it's basically a caustic-based cleaner. So right now it says, first thing, it says fill the bottle with 1/3 of water. So here's the bottle. If you can see here, there's actually a point where it's basically shows you where 1/3 of water goes. So you fill that with that. Now it says add 1/2 mils of PL19, which is this. And on the syringe, you can see where it says 1/2. Okay. Now I add this directly into the tube. Next step, it says add 4 to 8 drops of the melted orange indicator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After I do that, I give it a little swirl. So now the solution is now orange. So now I'm going to add the titrant, which is the HCl. Once the solution turns pink, it means it reaches endpoint, and then from there you can calculate the unknown concentration. So let's start adding the titrant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give it a nice swirl. As you can see, the color is still orange. It's not have reached pink just yet, so I'm gonna add a little more. So 6, 7, 8. Another swirl. Now the solutions turn a nice color pink here after adding 8 drops. So now you can take the 8 drops, plug it into the calculation that is found on the TDS to calculate your unknown bath, and that is how you use our test kit.